Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a small haul and it's from the Goodwill. So let's jump into the video. So I'm not sure exactly where the receipt is, but I can tell you that the items I'm about to show you were under $5. So we are going to start out here with this piece of burlap that was wrapped in this plastic. Was only 49 cents. So it didn't say how big it was. We're going to check that out right now. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this to be this big. This will definitely help me in my DIYs. Awesome. So I found this square vase, and I don't know what it is about square vases. I absolutely love them, and this was pretty heavy. So I believe this one was probably $1. Now they do have the stickers on them, but then they also have a discount day. So I'm not sure what color tag had the discount, and that's why I don't look at the vase. I was trying to see if I found the receipt. Then we have these little trinkets here. They're candle holders, and I think these are so adorable. They look kind of vintage to me. Those were probably like 50 cents each. So this is just another one of the candle holders for Christmas, and I believe it belongs with the little snowman of the little collection there. So I thought that was pretty neat. Okay, so I got this runner, and this is a pretty long runner, and I'm loving that color red. So that was probably $1. And so that was like a great buy. So before I buy my craft items at the Dollar Tree, I will stop at the Goodwill since it's on the way, because you do get really good buys, and you never know what you'll find. Oh my goodness, you will not believe the size of this vase. I am absolutely loving it. Look, I found the receipt. So I can tell you the discount. We'll save that for the end, and we're almost there. So anyway, this vase was absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe the size of it, and we're going to definitely be decorating this soon. So yeah, I believe this vase before discounts was probably $2.99. So all of these beautiful beads, they're like a pearl iridescent type of beads. I think I got all of those for $1. And what I love about this vase is that it's a different shape and they come in so many different sizes, and it kind of breaks up the Dollar Tree vases because those are always the same ones, and then every once in a while they bring in a new one. But these humongous vases, you would definitely be paying so much more money if you went to a regular store to buy them. So pretty much after the discounts, I got everything here on the table for $5, $4.99, so $5. And I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you my shopping trip to the Goodwill. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.